Alright, I'm going to look at working out the exact value of cosecant of negative 5 pi thirds. And I'm going to make use of this idea and this idea, which we're going to take as given theorems. So if I look at this as the sum of something, I'm talking about this. And so I have some original angle plus some multiple of 2 pi. So I'm going to see if I can subtract 2 pi from this and get something that's recognizable to me. So since I have a fraction here, I need common denominators. So this is really the fraction 2 pi over 1, and that's going to give me thirds, because I'm multiplying top and bottom here by 3. And so this is going to give me negative 11 pi thirds. All right, so that's something, again, that I don't recognize. So I'm going to use the idea that maybe this n is a negative and not a positive, and so I'm going to add 2 pi. And when I look at that, that gives me pi thirds. Now, pi thirds is something that I recognize. If we convert this to degrees, we would have the conversion factor is 180 over pi. So we're looking at 60 degrees here. So cosecant is related to sine because it is the reciprocal. I'm at sine of 60 is the square root of 3 over 2. And since I want the reciprocal for my final answer, I'm going to have 2 over the square root of 3. And this is a positive answer. This is our final answer. So the cosecant of negative 5 pi thirds is equal to the ratio 2 over square root 3.